This 2013 BMW X5 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. X535i xDrive technology package, cold weather package, convenience package, navigation system, rear view camera, panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, rear side sunshades, 3.0 LDOHC twin power turbo 6-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, xDrive all-wheel drive system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power trunk opener, cruise control, power adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood trim interior, gray metallic exterior, black leather interior, BMW floor mats. Owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 BMW X5 3.5i is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.